Hello and welcome to Coracle's YouTube channel. Today we're going to activate our public health insurance. Log into the dashboard using the email ID and the password. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see your blocked account information, your travel insurance, and your health insurance information. Click on More Details under Health Insurance. As you can see, we have the insurance overview, the Change University option, and also the documents below. The documents basically has your health insurance confirmation. Click on Activate. Here, you must provide your current account details, your university details, and your address. Your current account details is basically the IBAN number and the IBAN proof of your account opened in Germany. The university detail is the current enrollment certificate. The address is the address details of your house in Germany. Please make sure that your name is on the post box or else the letters will not be delivered by post. Once you provide this information, click on Next. A one-time PIN is sent to your email. Please check your email and provide the PIN that is sent. Make sure that you enter the correct PIN. Click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will receive communication from your health insurance provider in 8 to 12 business days. That's all for today. For more information, tune in to our YouTube channel and our website.